7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You see the engines igniting, and we have liftoff of the SIRIUS XM-5 spacecraft. And everything's looking good so far. At about 10 seconds after liftoff, the vehicle does a roll maneuver. And we'll soon experience maximum dynamic pressure, or a max Q, about 30 seconds into the flight. Max Q is the maximum aerodynamic load on the vehicle. It corresponds to about Mach 1.6 and occurs at 1 minute, 2 seconds after liftoff. Everything seems to be proceeding nominally as the vehicle heads in an easterly direction with a flight azimuth of about 61.3 degrees. Coming up on 1 minute into the flight, so we're just passing through the point of max Q as we speak.